Chummy. What day is today? Let's check what day today is. What day is today? 11. We're on day 11 of Vlogmas. And the weather permits. So because the weather permits, today I'm going to be making dumpling and stew. So that's dinner. It's like 10:30 now. And I'm thinking at around, because I'm still busy, still a little bit busy working, at around, let me check, I need an hour plus another hour. So at around 2, we're gonna start preparing dinner, you know, for the sake of the fact that I'm making it Dombolo. I don't know what you call it, uJece, Dombolo. Yeah, actually, that's today's task. What do you call steamed bread in your language? That's what I'm making. I'm gonna be making steamed bread with stew for dinner, only because the weather permits. And I've been craving this for like a little while. Yes, we've been getting, like, at the weddings, there's always steamed bread, there's always stew, but then it's always accompanied by like all the other stuff, and I didn't get that, you know, that feeling of a bowl of stew and dumpling and no interruptions. That's what we're going for today. That's what we're going for today. So that's the dinner I'm going to be making. Make sure you're excited about that. Yeah, I'm going to be making steamed bread with stew. So I'm gonna mix my dough at around 2, you know, let it raise, and then yeah, but I'll take you along. So today we're making how to make steamed bread. That's today's theme, how to make steamed bread. Otherwise, I am trying to catch up on editing the vlogs because I've missed Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Today's Monday. So there's 3 days vlogs that I need to edit and have them ready for you. So today, which is Monday, you'll get Friday, and then you'll get Saturday and Sunday following, and then somewhere I'm gonna have to combine 2 days. Maybe today, like day 11 and 12 will be, so we can catch up quicker and then have another, I don't know, I'm still trying to figure it out, unless if I post two in a day to like, I don't know. I really do not know. Maybe I'll give you 2 today and 2 tomorrow. Will it work? I don't know. But anyways, I was saying good morning, hello, welcome to day 11 of Vlogmas. And today's theme is we are making uJece and stew. Otherwise, yeah, hope you guys had a lovely weekend. I had a very lovely weekend, as you'll see in the previous days, or as you have seen in the previous days. Day 9 and 10 of Vlogmas, but we're still pushing. Like I said, it's a Monday, work is working, and I'm also trying to catch up with the vlogs, the edits. Yesterday I did get a little bit of time to edit, but then yeah, I couldn't finish, but then I've put myself in a good position to actually execute today. And I'm actually distracted by the things that are behind me. It looks so messy on camera. It's literally kitchen towel, that container, my biscuit, I find that blue pen and my cell phone. But when I glanced at the viewfinder, look at me calling it a viewfinder. When I glanced at the screen, it looked like my background is a mess. So I tried a different angle today because I always greet you from here. Actually, let me show you. I always greet you from here. Am I right? I'm always like, hi guys, from here. So today I actually tried this side where I am facing the window. That's why it's so bright and it's trying to adjust, and now we're back to normal. But yeah, it's a cloudy day, it's a gloomy day, it's about to rain, it did rain last night, like overnight, and it looks like it's gonna rain again. So the weather permits. Guys, my intro or my hello was so long. Otherwise, See you guys later, I guess. Is it later? Will it be later? Yeah. See you guys when I see you. And welcome to day 11. Thank you for staying tuned in. I really appreciate you guys. Bye. I said 2 o'clock, right? So it's 2 o'clock now, and I'm going to try and show you how to make steam bread, or how I make steam bread. Anyways, I already showed you my ingredients, so
my teardrops melt the snow. Baby, won't you please come home? Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that we'll have. Gonna share the gift of love. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Bells are ringing, joyful chimes. Everyone's living festive times, but I sing all alone. Our house is not a home. Counting days and counting weeks till we're dancing cheek to cheek. Simply have a ball, swaying at the Christmas hall. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be.
the girl she thinks she
Keep me
is.
warm this holiday. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday. Grab Santa's sleigh. Be with me today. Grab the first flight. Be with me tonight. Ride on Santa's sleigh. Be with me today. Christmas Eve, here on Christmas Day, with no one else. I'd rather be. Keep me warm this holiday.
So the muffins were bigger than expected, and then now they overlapped so much that when you take it out, the top separates with the bottom. So two of them were ruined, but the other two came out, but they look very weird. So yeah, it's time to dish up now. And this is the end of the vlog. Goodbye and see you guys tomorrow. Ta-ta.
Been too long, you've gotta know. So much joy that we'll have. Gonna share the gift of love. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather be. Give me warm this holiday. Will you be here on Christmas Eve? Here on Christmas Day with no one else I'd rather